Augustine of Hippo de Magistro, episode 30. Augustinus, cur ergo et hic digito demonstrari potest, an aris corporibus etiam corporum qualitates, ut nihilomines etiam istae cum praesentes sunt, docere sine verbis possint? Now Augustine is going to take up a reply to his son Ariadatus, and he's going to ask two questions. He says, first of all, why then also can this be pointed out, demonstrare potest, with the finger? We have hic here as a masculine singular nominative, that is, as the demonstrative adjective, sometimes called a pronoun, and because it's masculine, I believe it's referring back to color. So why, therefore, can color also be pointed out, demonstrare, potest third singular, present indicative, and active, from the irregular verb posse, like so, and demonstrare is going to be the present infinitive passive. Why, therefore, can this also, namely color, be pointed out with the finger, digito? Digito here, we say, is masculine singular, and it's an ablative of instrument, ablativus instrumenti. Then Augustine asks his second question, or do you add an addis to physical objects, that is, bodies, do you add to them also the properties or the qualities of those physical objects? Addis here is the third conjugation verb, addo, addere, like so, and this one is second singular, obviously, present indicative, and active. Its direct object is qualitates, feminine plural and accusative, while its indirect object is corporibus, neuter, plural, and dative, the objectum obliquum. Do you then add to physical objects, corporibus, likewise etiam, the qualities of those physical objects, this one neuter, plural, and genitive, of course. Then as the sentence continues, it sets up this result clause, ut nihilomines possent. This would be an enuntiatum, common Latin word for clause, enuntiatum consecutivum, a pure consecutive clause, as Gildersleeve calls it. So we would say, with a result that, when they are present, cum praesentes sunt, meaning those qualitates, no less also can these things, nihilomines etiam istae, and istae feminine plural nominative, with reference to qualitates, no less those things also, when they are present, possint, can be taught, docere possint, can be taught apart from words or without words at all. So the verb of the result clause is possint, third plural, present subjunctive, and active. Then we have istae, the subject, as already parsed and referring to qualitates. Then docere is a present infinitive passive from the second declension, second conjugation, and verbis here will be a neuter, plural, and ablative object of the preposition sine. And then, of course, we have to account, as we already did, for this subordinate clause. When they are present, that is, those qualities, like color, they can also be taught without words, if one adds, addis, to physical objects, the qualities of them as well.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.